This Porsche Cayenne Turbo S came in for PPF replacement due to the previous install being nowhere near up to par. So I really wanted to make a video showing what a factory install looks like or a below average install looks like compared to our install here at 86 Auto Lab. Within our industry, there's a huge difference between price, quality of film, and quality of install, and there's this huge area in between. A lower quality film or a lower quality install is definitely going to cost less. On the downside, it is simply just not going to provide you maximum coverage, protection, or durability. And it's going to be extremely visible where the PPF starts and where the PPF ends, meaning you're going to be able to see every single line of the PPF. It is not aesthetically pleasing at all. And for two, it leaves areas of the painted surfaces exposed. This means that areas of your vehicle that are exposed are going to get rock chips. They're going to fade faster than the areas that do have film, and it's going to be an eyesore over time. You're going to be able to see what had PPF at one time and what did not. And the areas that do have coverage will remain protected, and over time this is going to create an inconsistent look. On this Cayenne, it either had what we call a kit install, or it was installed by another installer that only knows how to install kits. And what I mean by a kit is that the film pattern was close enough to install to get a mediocre result. Whereas a good installer is going to know how to extend the patterns to get full coverage and know where to tuck the film so that you don't see that hideous line. Because a great PPF install is supposed to be as virtually undetectable as possible, as you're going to see at the end of this video. You can see how large of a gap is on the panels of this Cayenne. Nearly every edge of the film is about an inch minimum off from where it should be. This would personally drive me crazy and paranoid knowing that some of the areas of my vehicle are unprotected. We are going to be removing all of this old film and replacing it with XPEL Ultimate Plus 10, which is 10 mils thick versus your traditional 8 mils thick like other films. Zach and Augustine are our paint protection film installers here at 86 Auto Lab in Franklin, Tennessee. With years of experience under both of their belts, they know how to deliver top-tier results every vehicle they touch. From preparation for the film, laying the film, and finishing out the film, you will see that they're extremely detailed at every step. Here at 86 Auto Lab, we are car enthusiasts to start, and we look at paint protection as an art. And you will see that in this video. You can see that you don't see any edges of the film. You can't even tell where the film starts and ends. And this is how a quality install should look. Looks aside though, this car is now going to have maximum protection. This means protection from rock chips, scratches, marring, etching, fading, everything else that the roads in Franklin, Brentwood, Nashville, Tennessee are going to throw at your vehicle. There is a ton of road debris, rocks, and other building materials that are hitting your vehicle at 55 plus miles per hour. These little bitty defects add up over time, meaning you're going to get chips, scratches, little dings that become defects that are permanent and are going to be costly to repair. And getting a vehicle repainted is costly, and anytime you get a vehicle repainted, your resale value decreases. But this is all preventable with paint protection film. So if you're in the Franklin, Tennessee, Brentwood, Tennessee, or Nashville, Tennessee area, and you're looking to get a free quote to get your vehicle protected, give us a call or text today at 615-506-6286. We're located right outside downtown Franklin, Tennessee.